Hey guys, it's Liv, and today I have a special guest, Katie and Miley. And today we both went to Hobby Lobby and we picked up one or two ingredients to add to slime. So yours is?
I found this interesting paint. It's called milk paint. At first, I thought you were supposed to drink this, but then I'm like, oh wait, I think this is actual paint.
And I actually got two. Mine are these little silver sparkly foam beads. And then I got these holographic silver sequins. So, let's get started. Okay. So let's add our glue. See, I'm not going to add too much because I do not have a lot of sequins. And I want to add all of them to make it really catchy.
Okay. This back.
I'm going to wait. Scissors.
Okay. Next, we'll make
Alright.
paint.
Okay. First, I think I'm going to add my sequins. No, I'm going to add my water.
Okay, use them.
Yeah. Oh, that's pretty.
That's a pretty color.
It must be like full to the top. So we can just leave them. Here, wait here.
Fun.
Here. There we go.
Okay. Okay.
Don't forget to add water.
No, let's
It's okay.
do that.
Well, that's like liquid.
This isn't paint.
It smells like paint.
Ooh.
Smells like
That smells like an actual barn. I think that's why they call it milk. Okay.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, this is actually really good. I like it.
Alright, can I use that?
Yeah, just might want to pluck your nose.
Yes.
That's real bad.
Ew! I didn't know how much to add.
Whoa, that's actually a lot of water.
Ew! Okay, I'm ready.
Oh, mine's disintegrating.
What?
Oh, no, it's not. Never mind.
I'm gonna add scent to this probably later.
It smells really bad.
It's making the slime smell disgusting. It looks pretty.
That's all that matters. Okay.
I have to add like a lot because it's really light.
Oh, that's really bad. Just keep mixing. Okay.
Alright, now I'm gonna add my sequins.
Okay.
Do you want some? Because I'm probably not gonna add all of it, probably.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's a lot.
You can add a few. Sure. Because it actually comes with quite a. That's so pretty. Look at that.
And then just like.
I mean, now it kind of looks. I mean, it still looks pretty. You just can't tell they're sequins. They kind of look like just black specks. But when you like when you add your tide and you activate, it's probably not look like that because you can actually tell what it is.
You know what it might have been?
Like how much is left still?
You know what it might have been? It might have been the cow from the milk paint that pooped in your paint. You added the color. Maybe that's why it looks like black specks.
So now I'm gonna add these really pretty silver foam beads.
Like, oh sorry, just explosion.
Oh, no.
Oh wait, they're different sizes.
Yeah, they're a touch like bigger and smaller. They're really, really pretty.
Look, I have like.
I'm definitely gonna add these to another slime.
That's so pretty.
You can't even really tell. I mean, it looks like lumps. But once again, when you play with it, it's probably gonna look better.
Yeah, maybe.
Alright, now I'm gonna activate it. Actually, I'm gonna add a few light pink sparkles.
You know what I'm gonna add?
I'm gonna add that one.
Crunchies. I want it to be
And
extra
look at how much I
crunchy.
added. That's a lot. Alright, I'm not sure this slime is gonna be stretchy because I have a lot of stuff in it.
I think everything out of can't talk. I think everything that I put in my slime is gonna fall out.
Probably.
Like a stretch and it's all gonna go. Okay. So let's go.
It's like not even like.
That's not. I don't know.
I love that. It's weird. Okay. Whoa, that feels really, really cool.
Does it? So.
Okay.
That was fun.
Alright, bye